How to activate Scotiabank debit card online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to activate Scotiabank debit card online. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for scotiabank.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Scotiabank. Here, tap on the Sign In button on top of your screen and further enter your username or card number and then enter your password. Also, if you want the device to remember your login credentials, then tap on the Remember My Username or Card Number checkbox you see there, and further tap on the Sign In button. Once signed in, you will see the Activate button. Simply tap on that and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation process. The other method to activate is to contact the bank. So, go back to the homepage of Scotiabank and tap on the Contact Us option on top. You will then see various options from where you can contact Scotiabank. You can talk to an advisor, you can visit the bank, you can call the bank in the number provided, you can send a mail to the bank, you can also send a tweet to the bank. Simply select the best suited option for you and further activate your account by following the instructions provided. So, this is how you can activate Scotiabank debit card online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.